In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more members in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite new users to your account and what each option means, so you can set things up correctly the first time. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account with administrator privileges. Only users with the right permissions can add new members, so if you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to ask your system admin to update your access. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings area, where you control how your CRM is configured. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings page. Inside Settings, you'll see different sections. Under the General options, look for the one labeled Users. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your CRM, current team members, and any new ones you want to invite. Click on Users to open the Users page. On the Users page, you'll see a list of people who are already part of your Zoho CRM. To add someone new, find and click the button that says Add New User. This will open a form where you'll enter the new member's information. Now take a moment to fill out the required details carefully. Start by entering the person's first name and last name. Make sure the spelling is correct, because this is how they'll appear in reports, ownership fields, and any activity inside the CRM. Next, type in their email address. This needs to be a valid email that the person can access, because Zoho will send the invitation directly there. If they don't receive the email, have them check their spam or junk folders, or verify that you entered the address correctly. After that, choose a role for the user, such as a manager-level role or a higher-level executive role, depending on your company structure. Roles help define reporting lines and hierarchy inside the CRM. Then select a profile. The profile determines what the user can see and do, like whether they have administrator-level access or more standard, restricted access. Take a moment to match the profile to the person's responsibilities so they have the right level of control without unnecessary permissions. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho CRM will automatically send an invitation email to the address you entered. Once the new member accepts that invitation and follows the sign-in process, they'll be added as a user and ready to start working inside your Zoho CRM.